Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, this is a channel for all Final Cut Pro post-production, and on the screen here you'll see our site. Here are Final Cut Pro plugins. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but if you are interested in that, go ahead and check that out. But for today's video, we'll be going over the split screen effect here in Final Cut Pro. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we have our footage right here. And what we want to do is we want to make a duplicate of this. So we're going to hold Option down on the Mac. I'm not sure what it is on the Windows computer, but hold Option on the Mac and drag up. And that makes a duplicate of that clip. And what we're going to do now is we are going to add our projector effect. You can really add any effect that you desire, but I'm just going to use the projector effect for this one. Okay, so I'm going to drop the projector effect on there, and then we're going to type in mask right here. And we're going to click on the graduated mask, and we're going to place that on top of our first clip right here. And what we want to do here is we want to bring this up so it can split the screen. So whenever it's evenly distributed right here, or you can make it, you can switch sides, doesn't matter. Just like that, that's fine right there. And when we play this back, let's see how this looks. Half of the screen is on the projector effect, other half of the screen is regular. So this looks really cool right here. And this is a simple effect that you can do to catch the viewer's attention. And it's just a really cool effect. And you can not only use the projector effect, you can use another effect. So let's try another effect. Okay, we're gonna try the earthquake effect. And let's play this back from the beginning. See how the screen is split. The wood is moving, but the holly is staying still. This is our effect for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, comment below. I appreciate you guys viewing the tutorial, and I hope you liked the video. If you do, consider subscribing and liking the video, and we will bring you more content soon. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will see you soon. All right, thank you. Bye.